students, welcome back to our class. For today's lesson, we have the kites. Under kites, we have the definitions and theorems of the kites. Definition. Kites, a quadrilateral with distinct pairs of congruent and adjacent sides. Kites. The two angles between the two congruent sides are called the vertex angle, and the other pair are called the non-vertex angle. The figure shown is kite KITE with line KI congruent to line KE, and line IT is congruent to line ET. The vertex angles are angle K and angle T, while the non-vertex angles are angle I and angle E. Theorems on kites. Kites angle theorem. The non-vertex angle of a kite are congruent. Kite diagonals theorem. The diagonals of a kite are perpendicular. Kites diagonal bisector theorem. The diagonal connecting the vertices of the vertex angles of a kite is perpendicular bisector of the other diagonal. Kite angle bisector theorem. The vertex angle of a kite are bisected by its diagonal. Examples. Measuring angles. Find the other two angle measures in the kite below. Note, the two angles left are the non-vertex angles which are congruent, meaning the two non-vertex are equal. Remember that the measure of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Since the two non-vertex are equal, let's name them as x. Solution, we have 130 degrees plus 60 degrees plus x is equal to 360 degrees. By combining like terms, we get 190 degrees plus 2x is equal to 360 degrees. Subtract both sides by 190 degrees, we get 2x is equal to 360 degrees minus 190 degrees. Subtracting that, we have 2x is equal to 170 degrees. Divide both sides by 2 to eliminate 2 in 2x. We get x is equal to 85 degrees. So meaning both angles or both non-vertex angles are 85 degrees. Next, find the missing angle measures. Find the other angle measures in the kite below. One of the non-vertex angle is equal to 94 degrees. Note, the other non-vertex angle is also 94 degrees. Okay? And then, the other one is 90 degrees because it is a right angle. So, to find the fourth angle, we need to subtract the other three angles from 360 degrees. Solution, we have 90 plus 94 plus 94 plus x is equal to 360 degrees. Combining like terms, we have 278 plus x is equal to 360 degrees. To eliminate 278 degrees, we need to subtract both sides to 278. Then we get x is equal to 360 degrees minus 278 degrees. Simplifying that, we have x is equal to 82 degrees. That means the missing angle is 82 degrees. Remember this. Kites, it is a quadrilateral with distinct pairs of congruent and adjacent sides. The two angles between the two congruent sides are called the vertex angles, and the other pair of the non-vertex angles are called non-vertex angle. Theorems of a kite. Kite angles theorem, the non-vertex angle of a kite are congruent. Kite's diagonal theorem, the diagonals of a kite are perpendicular. Kite's diagonal bisector theorem. The diagonal connecting the vertices of the vertex angle of a kite is perpendicular bisector of the other diagonal. Kite angle bisector theorem. The vertex angles of a kite are bisected by its diagonal. Again, thank you for listening. God bless.